What is going on, everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this worn old looking shoe into something better using our Waximum product. This is a fantastic product. It's going to maintain your shoes nice and clean, and it's going to give a new life every time you use it. Let's try that. Alright guys, so one of the first things that you need to do first, you need to remove all your laces, due to the fact that you don't want this to be on the way of you cleaning your shoes. So let's just do that just now. Okay, now with the laces removed, you can actually open your Waximum. Now this one, the new product here, actually comes with a little sponge that you can use to basically clean your footwear and remove all the scuff and debris from the shoes. And I'm going to show you what it does to a pair of shoes. And as you can see, these shoes are very, very worn. This is my community service boots. So they've seen some action. So let's see if we can actually bring it back to life. Okay, once you have a little bit of paste applied to it, then you apply it to your boots. This is the reason why you do want to remove all your lacing out of the shoe. Okay, let's get some more. So once you continue to apply the Waximum to the boot, once it's done, you can just let it air dry for about a couple of hours. Then you can actually go ahead and wear your shoes. So this is a process that you would do when, let's say that you come from the outdoors and you were hiking or you were doing some sort of activity, and you come home and you realize that your boots are not looking great how when you first purchase them. So then you can use our Waximum products to return it back to life. And just for comparison, I'm going to show you the other boot that I have not cleaned yet, right? So this is with the Waximum, right? And this is without the Waximum. So you tell me which one looks a lot better and cleaner. And basically what the Waximum does, it returns the natural leather back to its natural state when it was first made. Your boots are going to start looking really clean and nice as the day you purchase them. They're still going to have the scuff. Unfortunately, that's not what the product is intended for. The product is intended to return the natural leather back to its natural color. And this is the end result, guys. Right? So I don't know about you, but I like it. So let's do the other one just so we can have two of the same color boots. This little sponge is really handy, guys. In the past, our old Waximum didn't have that, so this is great that it actually comes with a sponge. In the past, you will have to use like an old sock or a piece of cloth to do the same procedure that I'm actually doing right now. Just turn it around. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of Waximum. As you can see, the boots look fresh as when they were brand new. Not to the extent that they're gonna look brand new and old and tired, but it looks a lot better than it was before. So this is how you maintain your shoes using the Waximum. Okay guys, so this is the end result. As you can see, the boots looks fantastic. With the Waximum, you can actually give your old boots new life.